Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the third tutorial in the series of tutorials on Arduino. In this tutorial we're going to work with the IR sensor. So the IR sensor is basically a sensor which has a transmitter LED which transmits infrared rays and a photodiode which receives the transmitted rays. So we also have some distance adjustment potentiometer over here which is used for changing the distance as desired. We have also got the power LED which indicates that the sensor is on. Whenever an object comes in front of the sensor, the transmitted ray reflects back to the photodiode and a signal is generated. Along with the signal generated, and the obstacle LED also glows, which is over here, and this output pin has a value 0 or 1. So I have a sketch opened up here which is called IR sensor. In the first line of code I have a variable defined which is IR is equals to 2, which means the IR sensor's output pin will be connected to the second number of pin of the Arduino board, and I am also using a buzzer in it so that I can see whether the sensor works correctly or not. The buzzer is connected to the digital pin 3. In the void setup I'm having a function pin mode which we used earlier in the earlier program. So here we are taking an input from the IR sensor. So I have defined this pin mode to be an input, and the buzzer obviously it's an output device, so I have defined here output. Along with the working on the hardware, I also want to check if the program is running as desired. I am also checking the output in the serial monitor. So I have used a command over here which is serial.begin 9600, which is command for activating or initiating the serial monitor, and 9600 is the baud rate of that. Now in the loop function, firstly we will read the digital pin which is the IR sensor is connected to, and then we will print the sensor value to the serial monitor, and if this value is equals to 0, then the buzzer will make a sound and a message will also be printed which is remove your hand, and if the value is 1, then the buzzer will not make any sound. So this is a simple program. I hope you understand it. So I'll just make sure the board is connected. Yes, the board is connected to the right port. Now I'll just upload the code. So I can see my transmitter and receiver LEDs were glowed. So my code is uploaded. Now I have to make connections. So for making connections I need some jumper wires, I need a breadboard, I need a buzzer, and I need a IR sensor. So this IR sensor has 3 pins as I told earlier, an out pin, VCC and a ground. So I'll connect those. I'll just put it here and I'll make connections very fast. This is the VCC, so I'll connect it to the 5 volt of Arduino, and I'll connect the ground pin to the ground of Arduino board. Now I can see the LED just glows, which means the IR sensor is ready. Now I'll connect the sensor pin. Okay, the sensor pin, which is the pin number 2, and I will also connect this small buzzer over here, and the blue wire goes to the ground and the red wire goes to the third pin which I have defined earlier. So I'll just put it here. Okay, so my hardware is set up. I can just check it. Here in the serial monitor I can see the values are sensor value is equals to 1, and as soon as I put my hand over here it turns out to be 0, and and the buzzer makes a beep sound. You can see it. So this is how it works, and you can just have fun with it like this. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in the next tutorial.